This is a Redragon Gainer wireless mouse. Today we're going to compare it to a few others. These two are more for office, and this one is Alienware, like $100 gaming mouse, and we'll see how they're all comparable. Comes with a beautiful seal over here. This is a mouse. Awesome design. Dongle here. I like the design even of this thing. How did they make it for $20? In order to get the mouse out, you need to push it from here. This is the mouse. Amazing design. Let's compare it to these. This is by far the best design. So this would be more of a competitor, although a lot more expensive. I like this one more. This one may feel more expensive when you click the buttons. We get manual and stickers. There's a couple of small stickers like this. Very cool. I like it. Here we have some basic instructions. So left, right mouse. We have scroll pad over here. And then side key is forward, backward. These are these two. You can see. Forward, backward. Then we have a DPI button, up and down. So we have two DPI buttons, boom, 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 boom. I use the fastest one, I like fast. It is very light, this one like twice heavier. Here we have like serial, part number, on, off, eco. One battery. Tell me if you like this mouse. It has a nice hole over here. I believe you can hide your dongle there. Yep, doesn't fall off. One battery, says over here AA, double A, bigger one, not the smaller one. Triple A, double A, bigger one. Some mice use two of this instead. This makes it a lot heavier though. Now the weight is about equal. You can totally use it for office work or anything. It doesn't have to be gaming. I'm actually planning to use it for like office computer. I just need something that comfortable with this thing over here. And this one is HP mouse. MSRP is like $70 or something, bought on sale obviously, but this one feels better than this one. And this Logitech is also like an office computer. I like the buttons probably more over here, but overall the feel I like more of this one. Any way you look at it, this is a great $20 mouse. Closes just like that, and then we can turn it on. Look at this beautiful Redragon. The design is amazing. I have this one longer than this one. It's like Lamborghini vibe. I tried some gaming, I tried some like office work and everything, and it works great. I'll be honest with you, it's a good mouse and I'm keeping it. This Redragon is a $20 mouse from Micro Center, and honestly it might be the best one out of all I have, and all of these are more expensive. This one is like $100. I probably bought it on sale for like $60. I definitely recommend this Redragon Gainer wireless mouse. Amazing. And the conclusion. This is actually the best mouse out of all I have. It's even better than a $100 Alienware. I like this one more. After using it for a while, I can say that this one is better, and I like the looks of it even more. Amazing mouse. amazing. And it's great for office work too, for anything, for gaming, for office work, for like anything you do. And it's $20. It's the cheapest and the best. So Redragon. And I'm gonna buy some more Redragon mice. I'll be honest with you, I really like them, so I'm gonna buy maybe something even more expensive for another computer and switch all those mice. These all like no good. Redragon, very good. You like this mouse? Redragon. The durability is fine, although he didn't bite it really hard, but we got like a few scuffs from his teeth over here. Obviously here plastic, yeah. He could definitely break it if he bites it hard, but this part might not be the strongest, so it can break if it falls